Let me see how your boy's hairstyle turned out.
Don't touch it.
Haha, how did he turn bald? Let me see your girl's hairstyle too.
No, don't touch it.
Oh no, she's bald too.
You just ruined the hairstyles I worked so hard on.
Your hairstyles weren't even that cute anyway. Let me make you a better one. Just flip the board upside down, then shake it. Shake it.
Stop shaking it. This is a magnetic hairstyle drawing board. You must use the special magnetic pen. Use it to lift the magnetic hair pieces. Then place them wherever you want to create your style. Look at that handsome hairstyle. And guys, if you want this, then like and subscribe. Why did I pull a white Natasha? I don't really like the white one. Jack, can we swap?
No way. Mine is bigger than yours.
Look, I have a whole box right here. I'm going to pick this one.
Then I'll pick one too. Wow, my luck is amazing. I pulled a brown Natasha.
Okay, let's see if I can pull a black one this time.
Haha, that's not black, and it's not even that great.
Who says it's not great? Look, mine is actually soft and bouncy. And this time, it's absolutely gorgeous. Wait, I just realized. This is the secret hidden edition. And friends, if you want these cute Natashas, then like and subscribe.
Ooh, I'm starting with that one. Can she guess? Guess the gum. What is it?
Tubble Bubble.
You won. I get to bite. Next one.
Space Dust.
Sneaky Star. You have to eat it.
Sour.
Oh my god, Liam. It's thundering so loudly outside. I'm completely soaked. Now, Leo, Jack, you both go to sleep peacefully. Oh no, how did the power go out?
Sophia, don't worry. I'll go turn on the inverter right now.
Oh, mistress, I'm really scared of the dark.
Leo, just go to sleep. Liam has gone to turn on the inverter.
All right, Sophia, let me hang Leo's painting on the wall.
Oh no, boss, hang my painting instead.
All right, Jack, I'll hang yours then.
No, boss, hang my painting.
Liam, just hang both of their paintings on the wall.
Okay, Jack, Leo, I'll hang both of your paintings.
Come on, Jack. Let's go look at our paintings once.
Leo, just go to sleep now.
Don't worry, Leo. I'm right here with you.
Oh my god, Leo, your painting is talking?
Oh my god! How is that possible? How can it talk? Come on, Leo. Let's check your painting now. Oh, Brother Jack, run. Your painting is talking too.
Who said you could eat my chip? Wait, let me explain. Explain it to my fist. I'm heading out. If you touch my chips again, you're dead meat.
I need your help, bro.
This one's on me. Enjoy. Found the key to the safe, sending the photo to Sis. And sent.
I can fake this key. Print it, cut it out, and done. Shoot, they're all gone. Smash the potatoes with a shoe, press them into pieces, and fry them up. Oh, hey sis, back.
I'm gonna go check on my chips. Oh, thank God she didn't touch them.
What? Mom, stop the car!
What's the matter?
Stop the car now!
I can't stop. We'll talk when we get home.
No, you have to stop now!
No, we'll talk at home.
Mom, why aren't you stopping?
What happened?
Dad just fell off the car!
Oh no, why didn't you say so earlier? Remember to drink water when you wake up.
It looks so weird.
It's a cup.
Why isn't the water coming out?
You have to spin it to drink. Do you want cola or milk?
Whatever.
Here's half a cup of milk.
What about the other side?
It's for the cola.
This cup is actually split vertically. Cheers. Don't you have any normal cups at home?
This one is very practical.
Oh my, this is so ugly.
Drink from the spout.
This feels so awkward. Now it's much better.